Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Wake the device and open the Stopwatch app because you'll stop it now. Tap the prominent stop or pause control once. That immediately freezes the elapsed time. If your device uses a physical crown or side button, press it firmly one time to pause. Once paused, make sure the display shows static digits. This confirms the timer halted. If you were tracking laps, note the lap list remains until you reset, so you can review splits before proceeding. Once stopped, decide what to do with the measurement. Tap Save if the app supports recording, or choose Reset to clear the value. For lap-enabled stopwatches, scroll the lap list to review splits, export or screenshot if you need a copy. On some watches or apps, a long press on the stop button reveals alternate actions. Use that to lock the time or switch to background mode. Make sure to confirm by watching the UI change. This is how you know the chosen action. Finish by confirming the display shows either 0 after reset or the static final time after stopping. This verifies completion. Close the app to prevent background timing and to save battery, and optionally clear recent apps. If the stopwatch won't stop, if buttons don't respond or digits keep running, force close the app or reboot the device. That always clears stuck timers. If problems persist, update the app or check settings, because outdated software can cause controls to become unresponsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.